Welcome to Sharon's Kitchen for You, brought to you by Soho Sphere.
When I cook, you cook just like that.
Yes, Mom. I can't wait to be cooking with you today because we are going to get to share our Guyanese cultural dishes with you. And I'm super excited to be sharing this with my mother. All right, so Mom, what's for lunch today?
So today's lunch is called curry me up.
My favorite.
It's curry chicken with red skinned potatoes and with cucumber, and we're gonna have some spinach on the side.
Okay, and so Mom, tell me a little bit about the benefits. So we have masala, we have jeera, which is better known as cumin in the American culture, and then we also have turmeric in our curry powder, right? And then we have our cucumber. So tell me some of those benefits.
Okay, so let's begin with the cucumber.
Okay.
Cucumber is a great source of vitamin K.
Okay.
It helps to lower sugar levels.
Okay.
The jeera, known as cumin, is a great source of iron.
Yeah.
The masala has two great ingredients, cardamom and cinnamon, that aids in detoxing the body.
Yes, let's get the detox out. All right, Mom, so let's cook.
So you can start cutting on this, the onion and the scallion.
All right, how much do you need, Mom?
Half of this.
Okay.
And you can use this whole piece.
Sure.
And I'm gonna work on making the curry paste. The ingredients for that would be the thyme, the green pepper, the garlic, the jeera, masala, and the curry.
Okay, sounds like a plan. All right, so let's begin.
Let's get started.
Okay. They're all like located, a lot of them are located in Georgetown, Guyana, which is our capital. But then we also have like, you know, the rainforest area where people are also living. So that's pretty cool. I was looking at that. And we have a mixture of people, right? Portuguese.
Sure.
Mom, you're Portuguese and black, right?
Yes, my father is Portuguese, Brazilian Portuguese actually, and my mother is black.
But then we have...
Then we had the Amerindians, but we didn't have, we have them still. We didn't have them, we have them still.
Yep. And we have like Indian and Chinese in Guyana, which most people don't really know, which I think is pretty cool.
All right, so I'm getting ready now to mix the paste.
Okay.
For the curry.
All right.
I'm gonna insert this into the water.
Okay.
And we are going to the masala and the jeera.
Yeah.
We're gonna mix this up.
This smells really good, Mom.
Smells good. Clears your nostrils.
Yes.
Sure does. And then we're gonna use some of the turmeric and the curry. Girl, we making a mess here.
Cooking is fun, but it's very messy, so you gotta keep cleaning. It can get very messy. You gotta keep cleaning.
Especially with our cultural
dishes, right? Because curry stains too.
Oh, curry stains. Yeah. It does to your nails as well.
Yes.
After this, we might have to go and get
our nails done, huh?
So after the chicken is right now frying up for a couple more minutes, we're gonna be dicing the potatoes.
Okay, so let me go ahead and peel the potatoes, and then we also have to kind of cut down the cucumbers, right?
The cucumbers, sure. Putting the cucumber into the curry, it gives it flavor. Some people add mustard, some people add lemon juice, some people add sugar, but I love the natural flavor of the sugar coming from the
actual pure ingredients of the cucumber. I always love when you add cucumber to curry. You don't see that often. I think that might be your own trademark.
It's a little tip.
That might be your own trademark, Mom.
Just be sure to remove the seeds.
Yes, you gotta remove the seeds. Do you smell that chicken?
Oh my God,
I
the aroma.
smell it. The aroma, it's so nice.
So
oh
nice.
my goodness.
Girl, it got to be kitchen smelling so good. Are you coming with the potatoes?
I'm almost done. I'm a little slow, Mom. I'm a little slow. Remember, I'm not a pro.
Want to get your bowl
Remember, I'm not a pro,
you.
Mom. Yes, thank you. I'm not the pro. I'm trying. I'm trying. So right now, what we're doing, Mom? What are we doing?
We're preparing to make the spinach.
Okay, so we have garlic and we have the red onions. You're cutting up the fresh garlic, right?
Yes, and all we're gonna use is chopped garlic, the chopped onions, the frozen spinach, which makes it easier.
Okay.
And some adobo for flavoring, along with a little olive oil.
But we could use like regular spinach, right? Like you could use your fresh spinach.
Sure.
But the easiest way, folks, is to get it the frozen kind.
The frozen one.
The frozen kind, because sometimes anybody got time for all
Cooking
that.
made easy.
Yeah.
Rachel
Under
Ray.
30 minutes.
Rachel Ray,
right? Love her.
Rachel Ray style
love her.
of cooking. The chicken is looking nice and tender and juicy. Wow. So, what I would actually do at this point, I am going to take the temperature down on the stove, and put it to medium.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna taste.
Okay.
And if I need to add a little more adobo, I'll do so. And then this would soon be completed.
That looks really, really good.
Thank you.
Super amazing.
Dang, look at the color.
I know, the color is so beautiful and rich. It's that rich green, yellowish kind of color.
All right.
Okay. And then you
girl,
like to
let me
taste.
show you. No, you have to taste.
Yeah.
And if you could just, let me go here.
Yeah.
And then we just put it here. This is how we taste, right? Okay, so all this needs is some adobo. And we are good to go. Curry me up.
Presentation is key.
The key.
You grab your fork, I grab mine.
You take the left.
All right.
I take the right.
Hey. Let's cheers. Cheers to curry me up.
This is a bit hot, girl.
Okay.
So you take a little bite. A little bite.
All right. We gotta make sure you get the spinach in there.
And back home, we used to do this when our food is hot.
You gotta blow?
We blow.
Okay. You gotta get everything in there.
You go first.
Okay.
Delicious, delicious.
Mom, you did that.
Delicious.
You did that, Mom. So thank you so much for joining us on our Curry Me Up episode brought to you by Soho Sphere. We can't wait to see you next time, so stay tuned. Mom.
Bye for now. Ciao.
And guess what, Mom? When I cook,
you cook just like that.
Yes!